everyone, welcome to New Wave Cooking, a zero-waste online cooking school by me, Chef Joe. In this week's zero-waste online cooking class, we'll be doing some fresh Brussels sprout salad with dates, almonds and a green dressing, together with some celery puree, roasted seasonal veggies and a balsamic and beer reduction. Delicious! Thank you very much, little Louis, for meowing. This dish only uses seasonal winter vegetables and we leave the peel on, which makes it more delicious, nutritious, and it's less waste too. Join my online cooking class to prepare this wonderful dish live with me. Let's right away. Spanner. See? He needs ouchies. Want some Wi-Fi?
Cheers.